Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll discuss about chapter 4 of your book, that is Introduction to HTML. Okay, so let's start. So what are the things which we will discuss in this chapter? First of all, we'll discuss about the basics of HTML, what is HTML, and we will learn about some terms, that is website, server. Then we will understand what is markup language. Then we'll study HTML tags, attributes, values, and then we'll learn about the structure of a HTML document. Okay, and at last we'll create a HTML file and learn how to save it and view it. Okay, so the chapter's name is Introduction to HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is a markup language. It is used to create web pages, okay, or build websites. So what is website and what is web pages? Web page is a single page and website is collection of web pages. Okay, like you were opening the website YouTube, and YouTube has many web pages. Okay, every video, if you surf one video to another video, they are different web pages. Okay, now what is server? Like, see, I'm making this video and uploading on YouTube server, and you were accessing the video through YouTube server by internet. Okay, so that is server. Okay, so HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. The word hypertext was first coined by Ted Nelson in 1960s. So what is markup language? Markup language is a technique to write documents describing the general structure of the contents inside the documents and not its actual appearance on the page or on the screen. So markup language के ज़रिए हम लोग जो लिखते हैं एडिटर में, ऐसे कोडिंग करते हैं, और वो जब वेब पेज बनता है वो एंटायरली डिफरेंट होता है दिखने में. Okay, so what are the features of HTML? So first of all, HTML is a simple text file. It is written in simple English. Okay, and one important thing is it is not case sensitive. You can write capital letters or small letters, it doesn't make any difference. Okay, and one advantage is that you don't need of compiling the file. Okay, you just have to save the file and view it. Okay, in other programming languages you need to compile also. Okay, so you don't need to compile a HTML file, and HTML file can be viewed in any platform. Okay, you made the file in any editor and you can view the file in any platform. By platform I mean that any web browser. Okay, so what are the tools required to create a web page? So first of all, we need a text editor like Notepad. Okay, you are using Notepad in your practical classes, Notepad, Notepad++, or WordPad, any software where we can write. Okay, then a web browser to view the web page which you have created. Okay, and a web server. Okay, web server is optional. We can host our web page which I have created in our computer also, or we can host it in external location. If I want to host it in external location, then I need a server. Okay, now we need to learn some terms in HTML. Those are tags, okay, attributes, values. So we'll discuss one after another. So first of all, let us learn about tags. So what are HTML tags? Okay, so HTML tag determines the way the browser would display its contents. Okay, so the HTML tags are always written in between a less than sign or greater than sign. Okay, these are called angular brackets. So these are some rules which are already there in HTML. You have to follow it. So how many types of tags are there? There are two types of tags: non-empty tags and empty tags. Okay, so what is non-empty tag? Some tags are there in HTML which you have to open it and write something, then you have to close it. Okay, if you don't close, then it will be wrong. And some tags are there which you don't need to close mandatorily. You can close it, but it is not mandatory. So the first one which you have to close it, that is called non-empty tag. It cannot be empty. Okay, and the second one which I have said, that is it is not mandatory to close the tag. Those are called empty tags. So title, body, then HTML, head, these are non-empty tags. And HR means horizontal rule. HR and BR, line break. So these are empty tags. Now what is attributes? Okay, so in every tag you can add some attributes. Attribute means property. Okay, so for example here, font is a tag. Okay, and its attributes are size and color. Okay, font is a tag, and what will be the size of the font? Okay, what will be the color of the font? So size and color is the property of the font tag. So these are called attributes of font tags. And size is given as 5 and color is given as red. So 5 and red are the values of the font tag. Now nesting tags. So what are nesting tags? So when you use tags within some other tags, okay, so then that is called nesting of tags. So like see here, A tag started and within that B started, and again within B C started. This is called nesting of tags, and you have to now close this also. Okay, so when closing, you should remember that the last tag which is started, this is C, have to be closed first, then the B, then A. Okay, so this is called nesting of tags. Okay. Now HTML supports all the ASCII set of characters. What is ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay, so there are 4 symbols which are reserved for HTML only. Okay, they are used in creating HTML format. Okay, so those are greater than, less than, double quotes and ampersand. Okay, now what is the structure of the HTML document? I will show you by writing a simple HTML code. Then also you have to learn it, what are the different tags usually mean. So first tag is HTML tag. What does it mean? This tag indicates that the document has been written in HTML. So it just signifies that it is a HTML file. Okay, and this /HTML means it indicates the end of the HTML file. It is written in the last. Okay, title. This tag is used to give a title. Okay, and / means closing of that tag. Head, this is used to give the heading of the web page. Okay, title, what when you open the web page in a browser, what will be written in the top of the browser, that is called the title. Okay, and body, whatever will be present in the screen, okay, or the content of the web page, that will be written in the body. Okay, now you must notice this line. This is very important. Each HTML document can contain only one title. Okay, and you should not use any colon or slashes in your titles. Okay, now let us write a simple HTML code and save it and then view it. Okay, so to write a HTML code, we have to go to our text editor. So I use Notepad++. So it is my Notepad++. So see, it is the basic structure of a HTML code. You have to start with a HTML tag, then head, then you have to give the title. Okay, I'm writing a title here. Okay, then head is closed here. Okay, now body. Here I write my content of the web page. So after writing the content, you should close the body tag, and after completing everything, you should close the HTML tag. Now your simple web page is ready. HTML code is ready. Now you have to go to your file and you have to go to save as. Okay, save as. Then you should give any name. Let's say first HTML. Now important thing is you have to give dot and HTML. It is very important. Okay, dot HTML, or you can write HTM only, HTM. Okay, now save it. Okay, and you should know where the file is being saved. You should know the location. Okay, now my file is saved here. So here is the file. So I have to just click it, double click it, then it will open. See where here it is written my first HTML page. Okay, so it is the title of the web page, and here this is the content of the web page. Hope you like it. It is the thing which I have written in my body tag. Okay, so in this way you can create a simple web page, and there are so many things you can do with the HTML coding and make the web page look more beautiful. Okay, those things we will learn in your next chapter, how to put extra things into the HTML coding, like you can design the font, you can put images, you can put links, you can put tables. So many things you can do in your HTML coding and bring them to your web page. Okay, those things we will learn in your next chapter. So hope you have understood the basics of HTML. If you have any problem, then please contact me, and take care. Thank you.